Hey guys, welcome to an episode of Python Shorts, short Python tutorials that are to the point. Today we're going to be covering try and except. So what do I mean by try and except? This is a way of error handling. So if we have a variable, let's say x equals 0, and we try to print y. Well, there is no variable y. This is going to give us an error. Y is not defined. What if we throw this in a try statement? We say try to print y. If you can't, execute the except code and print there is no variable y. Now, that finished running that. There is no variable y, because the try would have thrown us an error, but since we had the except, it jumped to here instead. Now let's say there is a y. Now, it's not going to jump to this except because the try is going to be successful. And so it prints the y, which is 0. So this is just a nice way of error handling. Yeah, so if this was useful to you guys, let me know in the comments. Give a thumbs up and subscribe if you're interested in seeing more videos like this. Thank you guys for your time. Bye.